on, Mr. Birdie, fly. By the window, trying to get out. The front window in the entryway.
One second, Elena wants to get a picture.
I'm getting a video. Go ahead.
Okay, Birdie. It's time for you to leave.
Okay, then.
Come here, Birdie. Stay. Stay.
Birdie.
Stay. Bird! Oh!
Oh.
Don't hit me, stupid bird. The door is open, you bird. Come on,
Here, bring Jenny up here. I'll watch her.
go out. Bird. Bird. Ah!
Oh, come on.
Bird.
Well, so just put Jenny on the leash. Where's the bird?
Going to the kitchen.
Front door still open?
Yeah.
Yes.
Bird.
Bird.
Seems to be kind of hurting towards the door.
Bird hurting. Let's do this thing.
Where is it?
I don't know. Maybe it flew out. Melissa, put Jenny on the leash. Oh. Oh, crap.
Did it fly out?
No. Mr. Birdie.
Elena, make sure she doesn't
Tweet,
go out.
tweet.
Make sure she doesn't go out.
Tweet, tweet. Tweety.
Tweety, tweety. Oh, put tweety, tweety. Tweety, tweety.
Come on, Birdie.
Jenny. Bird.
Bird hurting.
Where is it?
He's in the loft. Melissa. Now he just hit the window again.
Oh, come on. No, wait, bird.
Yep.
Just lost some feathers.
It won't close its mouth. Close your mouth, bird.
Probably hurt it.
Birdie.
There it is.
Oh, crap.
Oh my God. Stop hitting the window. The door is open. Okay, come on, Jenny.
You. I got a shirt to hurt him with. Not to hurt him. To hurt him.
He's on the roof.
Ceiling. He's on the ceiling. Birdie.
Grab